Hi YouTube, Salaamu Alaikum. Waramo seleeyahay ma la fiican yahay. I hope everybody was doing good. My holiday went well. I enjoyed it. Today it's Sunday. I'm going back to Monday work. Okay. So yeah, I'm going back to Monday work, inshallah. But I just wanted to guys talk to you quick because I supposed to be putting a lot of videos every week. But I got a surprise. My sister showed up, and can you believe this girl did not tell me anything? She did not literally tell me anything, and she talked to my kids and she told them about it, that she was on her way coming, all of that stuff. She showed up on Friday in the morning. So literally, like, she came in the morning. My daughter picked her up from the airport like 7 a.m. in the morning, and did not know anything about, guys. Did not know anything about. And I was so surprised. But yeah, so I was so busy with her and all of that stuff. Normally I do film on weekends and stuff like that, but literally I was so busy and I did not. Okay, so sorry about that, guys. On the other hand, I hope everybody holiday was good, and I hope everything was well, guys, with you, and you guys are enjoying. It's almost 2025. We gotta be on our shits, right? Health wise, saving wise, all of that, guys. Okay, literally saving wise is out of the picture, because on the holidays, Black Friday, I literally, like, we are going to trip like December. My nephew is getting married, so I'm going to be in California, guys. So I had to buy suits for the kids, and I had to buy clothes for the kids. And you know, when you go into trip, is a whole lot of things you like. The old suits is getting tailored. Literally, I'm gonna have to pick it up on Saturday, inshallah. But I'll show you guys when I'm picking it up. It's a beautiful suit, guys. It's really good. It was a little bit too big for him, so they have to tailor it and all that, but I know he's gonna grow into it and it will be okay. But literally it was like 600 suit, and I got it like on sale Black Friday, and it was like 300 and something plus the tailor. It went back to 500, guys, for his suit only. But I got also like shoes for the kids and all of that other stuff, like tennis shoes and all that. I guess the wedding colors are like black suits for the boys, and like red ties, white shirts, and like what is it called, white shoes, white tennis shoes. So mashallah, I got all the boys situated, the girls are situated. It's just me left now. I gotta go figure for, of course, like going to the wedding, it will be like a diras and all that, and that's okay. But like I still have to get some outfits for like normal abayas and this and that. So as long the kids are situated, I'm good. I'm always gonna be okay in the end. Okay, but like literally, like, that's what I was busy about, and it was a really nice holiday weekend, because I got that surprise. My sister showed up. I was so happy for that. Wallahi, that made my day, to be honest. Family is everything, guys. And as you guys know, it's just me and my kids here. So, you know, work, kids, doing this, doing that. Yeah, me and my kids will have fun, but when my sister's here, it's different. You know what I mean? So it's like always fun time, and I love it. But literally, guys, as I told you, I was on my diet, and I told you guys I'm gonna get healthy this year, and I don't care. And like literally, there is no reason to be unhealthy. There's no reason not to do the right things in all aspects. And as being a mom, a single mom, I need to be there for my kids at all times, and I need to pay attention to me too, right? So if I forget about myself and I don't take care of my health, and I don't take care of, alhamdulillah, mashallah, Allah give me a health, but what I mean is like, if I don't maintain being healthy and doing right and all of that stuff, then how am I going to take care of my kids? You know, that's how I'm seeing it now. Okay, so seriously guys, we are on this together, and we gotta motivate each other. And you guys got this, I know I got this, and we all want to work together. And me coming to YouTube and making my videos and all that stuff is literally gonna make me better, you know what I mean? And I hope I get to somebody and say, help somebody along the line, even if it's one mother along the line. Wallahi, I'm gonna be so good and I'm gonna be so happy. And because of that, guys, there is a video that coming. It's grocery shopping, and literally I'll be showing you like how I grocery shop for the entire 2 weeks, right? So I get all of the groceries and all of that stuff, and I try to stay within that. So literally that video will be coming inshallah, but I just wanted to, you know, come on here and just to show up, you know, my face, and make sure that you guys know that I'm here, and that we have to be posting, guys. Realistically, I needed to post 3 videos a week, but we'll get there, guys. Okay, but as of right now, I'm gonna do 2 videos or 1 video per week, and I'm gonna stick with that, and I'm not gonna change that, guys. And please, let's encourage each other. Let's go. And yeah, love you guys. See you next. Okay, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, you watch my videos. How you gonna help me is you watching my videos, subscribing to my videos, and that's how you support me, guys. Bye guys.